Hello, sir. I'm assuming you're a boy. Okay, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Hey y'all, JoJo here. I'm here at Chicxulub Beach. It is a beach town which is east of Progreso. We have a lovely dinosaur here. And I'm here waiting for someone, but I figured I would walk around quickly to show you this little area. It's a nice little beach town. Unfortunately, some of the pier has receded. And if you can see over there, there's a Progreso port. That's Progreso down here. They're building, looks like they're building right there. They're building apartments here. Catching a nice breeze. This is a wonderful breeze. I don't know what's down there, but it looks like there's other apartments or condos being built down there. I don't know if that's an additional beach town. Unfortunately, you can see the erosion of the beach. Ooh. And the birds just flying overhead. Oh my, look at all those birds. Hold on. Look at all of those. Yes, but this is a lovely little town. Very breezy. And I'm not a beach girl, but this little beach town feels a lot different than Progreso. Progreso is very busy. This one is very calm and chilled and laid back. I just want to get all the way down. You know how I like to take video or take a picture of the town sign. And I see it's down there. And if I have time later after talking with my friend, I'll do a little walk around here in Chicxulub. It's a nice beach town. Little construction going on here. The cool part is that you get to see the birds diving off of the pier. These bad boys. I'm not even paying attention to the lightnings. They just up there chilling. Oh yeah, there are people here fishing. I was about to say, I wonder if there are fishers here. Fishermen here. Looks like it. I've got a coop. Hola, buenas tardes. Oh, he was about to die. He was about to die. I think he's going for it. Guess not. Oh, all right. He's not going to die anytime soon. But here's a sign. Let me pan out a little bit. Good old Chicxulub. This is very beautiful. Have the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico. I repeat, we have the Gulf of Mexico here. See if we can get a better view of the shoreline. Very nice. So I think they have these markets are open at night. There we go. They have like a carnival area at night as well, because it looks like this equipment's been here for a while. I know this place is fabulous at night. Okay guys, like I promised, I'm gonna do maybe 10 more minutes of the walk here. It's not gonna be much. It's a little hot outside. But yeah, some of these houses are right on the beach. Like on the other side of that house is the beach. It's a cute little house. A lot of property there. And this, unfortunately, looks like it was somebody's property. It's just so quiet here. Again, I'm not a beach girly. This would be nice as a second home. If you're one of those people interested in a second home, and a lot of places here are for sale, this is probably a spot for you, and you're not interested in the fast pace of Progresso, although I don't think Progresso is that much of a fast pace. And this is the walking entrance to the beach and to some of the boats here. There's a couple of fishing boats down there. Let's see. We were already down here, but I would like to walk past some of these houses. Ooh, that smells good. Whatever they're cooking over there. Let's walk across the street. You have all of these houses here, and these are the ones that are directly on the beach here, and then you have the houses to the left here that are right across the street, but they're still cute little houses. Look at this. And then walk to the beach afterwards. Oh, it's a parking lot. Look at this house here. Oh, it looks La Casa del Faro. So that looks like this used to be a restaurant, and this looks like, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a hotel. And this is Visitar Mar, the restaurant. Viejo Bar, the old bar. And we were down there, and that's where the park was. We were also down there. I really just want to do like a full circle and then call it a day. Hola. Buenas tardes. Maybe if I come back down here, I'll do an extended walk. Because when I drove down here, there was a couple of houses that were just so amazing to see. Would love to share that with you guys. This looks, I don't know if this is abandoned. Oh, and then there's a beach club. Oh, now let's walk across the street to find out the name, just in case you're interested in going. It is called Club de Playa Restaurante. So the beach club and restaurant. Okay. Let's just do a little peek in. All right. It's getting a little sunny out here. So that building, that tall building there, doesn't look like they've worked on it in a while. Sometimes you can tell. Looks like it's abandoned. Let's see what's on the other side of here. Okay. On the other side are a bunch of boats. A lot of fishing boats. All right. So like I said, let's walk across the street. The perros here are very tranquilos. The dogs here are very tranquil. Unfortunately, you do have your trash on. I mean, what are you gonna do? Just don't live on that block. Nice house, nice, looks like a nice big house here. Gotta pay attention to where I'm going. Oh, it looks like it used to be a restaurant here, so it got abandoned. Same with this right here. You have another fishery and fish restaurant across the street. You have this pretty old cat in the back of a pickup truck. Hello, sir. I'm assuming you're a boy. Okay, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Just gonna walk around the corner and head back to the car. That across the street looks like that used to be a restaurant as well. Just have to pay attention to the sidewalk. I'm looking at this sign here for Hermes. Of course, he would stop right in front of it. But that's unusual here. And this is the main road that's leading east into Chicxulub. It's a cute little house. See if I can get inside. Nope. Oh, it's not occupied. Doesn't look like it. Okay, I'm walking across the street because you scared the heck out of me. You scared the heck out of me. You don't have to worry about me, sir. And look, disappeared just like that. We are going across the street. Beautiful colored houses. Oh gosh, fresh laundry. Lavanderia. Some houses that look like they need work, but they are someone's property. Disculpa. Whew. Apologies for the bouncing. I'm doing this on my phone camera, so it's not going to be too stable. This is the local traffic, if you can't tell by the beeping. That is the public transportation bus there. just want to walk across the street, go back across the street, but I want to wait for, whew, the exhaust. Wait for this bus to go. Yeah, look at the local traffic. Technically, I can walk across the street. I have the right of way, but I ain't gonna fool with that. And she's on, both of these cars are on the cross, which they shouldn't be. I see a lighthouse. Let's see if we can get to that lighthouse. Oh my. More traffic. You have your clothing, your supermarket. I haven't seen a billiard club in a month of Tuesdays. The Kraken Billiard Club. I haven't seen a pool club in a while. Okay. Here's your local supermarket. And we started there with the big old dinosaur. It's a pretty ficus tree right there. It's gorgeous. Oh my. Bobby, no. I'm getting cackled at by some old men. Oh, I can't see the lighthouse from here. Hold on. Nope, we're heading back. All right, so that was a quick walking tour of Chicxulub. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And if you're ever in Chicxulub, don't forget to enjoy yourself. Yeah, because this beach area is wonderful. I like it here. I can do Chicxulub. All right, JoJo's out. Deuces.